Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So we are the group 5. So today we will discuss our topic, which is controversies and conflicting views in the site of the first mass in the Philippines, Masaw or Limasawa. So first, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Cheryl Oliveros Batidor, together with my co-reporter.
I am Danilo Formentera.
I am Adrian Kyle Nodalo.
So first, we will discuss the person who spread Christianity in our country. So first, Ferdinand Magellan. So Ferdinand Magellan was the Portuguese explorer leading the Spanish expedition that reached the Philippines in 1521. He played a key role in the first Catholic Mass held in the Philippines on March 31, 1521. During a stopover at an island, either Limasawa, Sardin Leyte, or Masaw o Mazawa, Butuan, and City, Agusan del Norte. So, Magellan saw the Philippines not only as strategic stop for his voyage to the Spice Island, but also an opportunity to spread Christianity. He ordered the celebration of the Mass by Father Pedro de Valderrama, the only priest on board. This religious ceremony marked the beginning of Christianity in our country.
Antonio Pigafetta. He studied astronomy, geography, and cartography. An Italian scholar and explorer from the Republic of Venice. He traveled with the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan and his crew on their first voyage around the world.
Historical background. On March 31, 1521, the first Easter Sunday Mass was celebrated by Ferdinand Magellan expedition. According to Antonio Pigafetta, the chronicler of the voyage, the Mass took place on an island called Mazawa. However, because of different interpretation of Pigafetta's account, historians have proposed 4 possible sites.
So the 4 sites of the first Mass was: first, Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte; second, Masaw or Mazawa in Butuan City, Agusan del Norte; third was Homonhon Island, Eastern Samar; and the last was Mahaba Island, Placer, Surigao del Norte. So first, I will discuss the first site, which is Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte. So Limasawa Island, Southern Leyte, believed by many historians and officially recognized by its Philippine